Ponda office. So what do you observe, sir?
We have seen the difficulties basically as far as the offices are concerned. The offices are very cramped. There is a lack of space. So we are trying to shift some offices. And especially Mamladar, I think they are based on the third floor. So we are trying to get them on the first floor for the convenience of the public. So that is the place where the public frequent visit is there.
Old, mostly old.
And other thing, Minister had told regarding that mighty girl, which is on the bus stop.
Train.
CS bus trip.
Yeah, so that will be brought here on the ground. That should be done within a week's time. See, we are making basically a time bound. It is not that we came here, we just seen and we went away. We are here to see that it is implemented. Whatever we are.
So
The difficulties.
building is also very old. So there is any.
We are trying to have a revenue Bhawan. We are identifying for a place. So full revenue department basically can be put in one place. So people don't have to run from here to so we are just trying to identify a place, maybe two, three. I have told Padra also, just if there is any place available that the government will basically purchase or will take it on rent.
Are you satisfied with the work going on?
See, I am saying I have just checked as far as the pendency cases are concerned. I think the result is very good because it is very few cases are pending for a long time, say maybe 2 or 3 years. Rest all are 1 year pendencies of 1 year.
What about Munkar cases?
So mutation cases are.
Is there any special arrangement?
What are your reaction?
Is there a,
We are in shortage of joint molecular. We will see that it has already gone to GPSC because we cannot take it at direct. It is basically the recruitment should be done through GPSC. So that will be done. And plus we are looking at some promotional thing where AKs are promoted to Mamad. So just because there's a shortage of staff as far as joint Mamad.
So mutation cases. What about mutation? They are pending.
See, it is not pending. I have gone through the cases. It's not much. I will not pending. Some 500 cases are 300 cases are pending, and that also is pending only for a year's time. So we will expedite it. It's just a question of that joint mamla. We will be posting the joint mamla.
Any new suggestions to officers?
New suggestions, see, that thing should come from the government. They need enough, they should have enough space basically to function. The atmosphere should be conducive to functional of the department. So we are looking into it.
So you
I am basically satisfied for the functioning of all the departments. And my colleague is here, so there are not much complaints to say.
sir, when is your next visit here?
Now next reason I said, see, this should not be our first and the last visit. Now we have already given basically instruction when things should be ready, and then we will come back again. So once we fix up the dates, that within so and so limited time the thing should be completed, then we will come and have an inspection. Padram is here only. He will convey to me if work is not been carried out.
So you said revenue Bhawan. There will be in every taluka there will be revenue Bhawan. Or?
We want to have a revenue Bhawan in all the talukas.
Okay. So you observed 2 buildings, very old buildings. Any idea of doing?
See, I think those buildings were housed by the same by health department.
Health department.
So let me just check whether it is in the possession of the health department. I want to identify basically we need a bigger land. Basically, see, you have this Mamlada's courts and all. So there are vehicles and all. Where parking place should not be a problem. So we are trying to see something in Kutti. There's a government land is there. And we are trying to identify.
Okay then. सर इवन आनी एक रिक्वेस्ट असली म्हणजे लिफ्ट हा पळय हांगसरली सारकी येतलो आसता आनी खुबशीं जाणटी लोक येता तांकां 3rd फ्लोर 2nd फ्लोर चलोवन येवचें पडटा सो कितें तरी तांकां सजेशन करता लिफ्टीक लागून
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिनिस्टराक हें विचारपाक जाय कितले फावटी लोक थोडे लिफ्टाकच उरता
सो मेजर इश्यू ऑफ दिस
आम्ही लायटूय ना देखून मागीर इलेक्ट्रीक मिनिस्टर येवंक ना
तेका आशिल्ले आयज तो मागीर सुभाष आनी गोविंद
ओके
आमी 4 आसा हे तालुक्याचे लागता ते 4य आमी आयज हांगा आसूं जाय आशिल्ले
तुमचें सजेशन कितें पात्रांव
कितें
तुमच्या हांगा नवीन आतां सांग खंयच्या ऑफिसान कितें तुमी दर वीकली मिटींग घेता
पत्रांचे सजेशन ते कितें म्हायती घर पयलें ते हिंगा शिफ्ट करून
पात्रांव ते हांगा ओल्ड बिल्डींग आसा हेल्थ सेंटराची ते कितें डेमोलिशन
हेल्थ कितें आसा आतां पळय हेल्थाची हें आसा हेल्थ सेंटर आसा थंय ती आमी हेल्था कडल्यान आर्ट एंड कल्चराक दिली आतां थंय आमची लायब्ररी बांदता व्हडली लायब्ररी बांदता जशी पणजे आहा तशी लायब्ररी हांगा बांदता सो ती आतां आर्ट एंड कल्चराक दिल्या हेल्थाची ते आशिल्लें हेल्थ सेंटर आशिल्लें ओल्ड पोर्चुगीज टायमा वयलें ते आतां ताका दिल्या तशें ह्योय आतां आमी हेका दिली जाय रेवन्यू ते लागीं बिल्डींग
फर्स्ट आमी ते टायटल कोणा कडेन आहा ते पळोवंक
ओके
सो सपोज हेल्था कोणें आहा ते वी वील आस्क द हेल्थ
येस थँक्यू
थँक्यू